Here we have a 2021 Kia Soul LX. And this one comes in Mars Orange on black cloth interior. The powertrain consists of a 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, made it to a CVT. And there's your front end there. And this one comes with your 16-inch steel wheels with your hubcaps. And I really like how they did the hubcaps. It looks like an actual wheel here. Looks really nice. And there are the controls for your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. And here you have your auto stops. You can toggle on and off here. And there's your driver's seat. We're gonna sit in the rear seat here real quick. So for this to be such a small car, really good in terms of how they were able to get this leg room here. I'm 6'3" and I can sit back here, and the way that the seat's made, it feels really nice, even though it's cloth. So a good job by Kia making sure that this was a functional car. And there's a view of the front from back here. Let's check out the trunk space. And there's your rear end there. And I like how they did that and made it nice and deep in here, so stuff isn't flying all over the place. If you want to put something back there, and then to fold the seats down, you just lift up here, and then those will actually fold flat for the most part if you need that extra cargo space. And there's your passenger seat. And now let's check out the engine. And there's the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. So really nice and functional steering wheel here. I like how the grip is on here. I like the shape, how you're able to hold it. And we'll get to the controls here in a moment. But over here you have your radio, and you have AM and FM, along with Bluetooth audio. Then you also have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And there's your backup camera there. And down here you have your climate controls. And then down here you have two 12-volt outlets and a USB port. And then over here you have your gear shifter, and you just pull it down by pressing that button. Then you can slide over for shift mode, and then you can shift the CVT by how fast it revs all of that. And then here you can go through your drive modes, and you have normal and sport mode. And there's your emergency brake there. 2 cup holders, and a nice pocket in here. Got plenty of space. And then I like how they did this here, how you still have your hangers there if you want to hang clothes, or if you have a nervous passenger, they have something to hold on to. And there's your glove compartment with your owner's manual. And then over here, you can go through your radio modes, AM, FM, switch between those. You toggle the volume. Then you can go through your stations, things of that nature from over here. And then you have your Bluetooth controls.
Sure.
And then over here you have your cruise controls. And then you can go through your gauge cluster here. And then there's your key fob. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this 2021 Kia Soul LX out on the road for a test drive. So far, even in normal mode, the car is very peppy for it to be a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. And one thing I've always liked about CVTs is they allow you to just accelerate the way you need to without having to find a gear or deal with any of that. And I really like the steering wheel feel too. And very good grip coming around corners. And the brakes are really good. And they have a nice, solid feel to them. And definitely better than previous generation Kia Souls. Just put in a sport mode. We're gonna open it up a little bit here. Yeah, this sport mode is actually quite impressive. And it allows you to get up in the RPMs, and then once you get up to the speed you need, it just lets off. And for this to be such an inexpensive car, it's good that you have that kind of technology to help you accelerate when you need it, and then save gas when you need it as well. And this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Kia Soul LX.